Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DDIY guy for another do-it-yourself video, and today I'm gonna fill the brake fluids for my wife's Ford Escape. The brake lights are on. I need a tune-up for this Ford Escape, but I want to top it off before we can book a time to do that. So I'm just going to show you where the brake fluid is. It doesn't really specify it on this Ford Escape, or not labels, so I'm going to show you where it is. It's usually on the driver's side, which is on that side, and at the back of the engine. So let's find it and open it and fill it up. All right, so pop your hood, and again, the brake fluid container is on the driver's side, which is here. Again, there's not really any symbols or labels that tell me that that is, but it does say on the cap to fill it, to only use .4 fluid. So just make sure when you're buying the fluid to get a .4. Now there's .3 and .4. .4 just means that there's a higher boiling point for the fluid. So I'm gonna go ahead. I got this brake fluid from Petro-Canada. You can get them at Canadian Tires as well, but you would just fill that. There's a minimum mark and a maximum mark. I'm looking in there and there's barely any brake fluid in there, so gotta top that up, because the brake fluid actually helps when to engage the brakes. So it's very important to make sure that when the brake fluid light goes on, that you fill that up and then go to a mechanic and get them to look it over. All right, so just unscrew the cap and then just fill that up. These brake fluids are toxic, so make sure you're wearing gloves. I got plastic gloves, and I'm gonna top that up. The other thing is, I forgot to mention that there is a .5, but .5 is really not meant for these vehicles, and it would actually damage it if you put a .5 brake fluid in there. So it's recommended. The cap says .4, so go ahead and fill that up, and that's it. Just fill it up to just below the max line, and that should tie you over until you can get to the mechanic and get a car for a tune-up. All right, hope that helps out, and have a great day.